How to log into Etihad Career. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into Etihad Career. Login in Etihad Career is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit Etihad Career, type Etihad Career, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Click on the first link, it will take you directly to the login page. Enter your credential. On the login page, you will typically see fields to enter your email address and your password. Input the email address associated with your Etihad Career in the designated field. Then enter your password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password, click on forgot your password. And if you haven't created an account yet, click on sign up. Click on sign in. After entering your credential, click on the sign in button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Access your account. If the credentials you provided are correct, you will be logged into Etihad Career account. You should now have access to your account dashboard where you can view job postings, update your profile and perform other relevant action. That's it, you have logged in successfully. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.